It's becoming increasingly common for employers to use psychometric testing as part of their selection and recruitment process. It can be difficult to know what an employer is looking for when they use these tests, especially if it's your first time encountering one. Edge Hill Careers subscribes to a tool called Graduates First, which allows current students and recent graduates to practice a variety of different psychometric tests commonly used by employers ahead of time and for free. To access this tool, you can head over to the Edge Hill website to get a quick link through to the university's designated assessment portal. Once you're here, it's as simple as clicking register and entering your name and university email. You'll receive a verification email that will then allow you to complete the login process. Once you're fully logged on to Graduates First, you can fill out some additional information pertaining to the industry and assessment types you're most interested in seeing. This will allow Graduates First to tailor its learning recommendations in accordance with the field you're interested in working in and to the assessment styles you need the most practice with. If you expand the sidebar menu and go to My Practice, you'll be directed to a page that curates suggested assessments based on the additional information you included. Clicking My Practice also expands a drop-down menu that includes all 20 of the assessment types you can practice through Graduates First. The variety of test types covered by this tool is too large to go over in this video, so it's highly recommended you explore each yourself to determine which may be most useful in your chosen field, or perhaps which will be most beneficial to practice. Briefly though, there are some more general categories. Video interviews, for example. These are likely to come up no matter the job you're applying for, and Graduates First offers practice for competency-based interviews, as well as allowing you to tailor the interview to a specific industry or even a particular employer. However, there are also more niche categories, such as coding assessments, which can test your aptitude for the most common coding languages or just your general ability. Moving down to the Results tab, this page will populate with your results as you complete assessments and allow you to track your progress. It will also include feedback from each of your assessments and give you the opportunity to analyse any incorrect answers. Graduates First also incorporates an inbuilt job board under the Jobs tab. This will allow you to job search as you practice assessments, or maybe as a break in between. Finally, there is the Learning tab. This section can help provide additional support for any of the assessment categories. It includes things like explanations of the different tests, preparation tips, and the reason employers might use a specific type of test. The learning modules can easily be filtered by assessment type, and there's also some additional materials such as CV advice and answers to commonly asked interview questions. One final piece of support offered by Graduates First can be found back on the home page. This is their employer job application guides. These guides cover dozens of leading UK employers and provides a walkthrough guide to their application process, including the assessment types they use, which you can of course practice through Graduates First. Additionally, these guides include information about the company's core values, the qualities they look for in candidates, and the most common pitfalls that applicants fall into. It's strongly recommended you look through these guides if the company you're applying to, or even just one similar, is featured, as the information they provide about the application process is invaluable. Thank you for watching this guide to Graduates First for Edge Hill students. Hopefully it has provided you with the information you need to make the most out of this fantastic tool. If you require any additional information, make sure to use the Ask a Question tool accessible through the Edge Hill Careers portal. Our guide to using this tool, as well as the Graduates First webpage, will be linked in the description.